Hey guys, this is Kim with Salvaged Living, where I do lots of easy DIY and home decor for life and home redeemed. Thanks for checking out my YouTube channel, and today I have two really fun, super inexpensive, budget-friendly spring crafts for you guys to try. One is going to be making things from stuff you already have at home, and another is a dollar store idea. But even if you don't have the exact same thing I got from the dollar store, you can use these techniques to try on something different. Please let me know what you think about these crafts, and if you like this channel, I hope you'll subscribe at the end. So let's get started. enjoyed those two crafts and saw how quick and easy they both were, because it never has to be hard or cost a lot to decorate your home. You guys make sure you ring the bell and hit that subscribe button so that you can catch the next project that I come out with. Thanks for being with me. Bye guys.